guys, what's up? It's Bella. Welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year. It is 2024. This is my very first video and I always do a what's in my purse on the first of every year. So this year we have a what's in my Louis Vuitton high-rise bum bag. I recently did a whole video for you guys on this bag, like all the details and all that stuff, so I'll link it down below. But this has been like my ride or die bag. I have been getting so much use out of it, so I thought what better way to do another video with it than to do a what's in my purse. If you're new, I would love for you to stick around, so subscribe, hit that bell, and then follow my social medias. I'm also doing a giveaway right now. I'm giving away a $100 MasterCard gift card and then a Starbucks gift card. I'll link the video down below so you guys can follow all the rules and all that good stuff. Okay, let's get into this bag because I am so excited because I am obsessed with it. So as I mentioned before, this is the Louis Vuitton high-rise bum bag. I just got it and I have a whole video on it for you guys to watch, but I have been getting so much use out of it. It has been my everyday bag. I've worn this bag a few ways. I've dressed it up, I've dressed it down, and it just goes with everything. So it has been pretty full. I have a lot of things stuffed in here, so let's get into what is in this bag. You have two pockets. You have this big one right here, and then you have this one in the back. We're gonna start with this big one in the front. It's pretty large in here. Like there's a good amount of space for a lot of stuff. First thing that is protruding from the bag are my tampons. I use the Lola brand because they're like just 100% cotton, and that is just the only thing I want to put on my body. So I got these on Amazon. I'll have like everything linked down below for you guys. But these are the best. I always have one or two on me because I just never know with my body what's gonna be happening, and I'd rather be safe than sorry. So I like to have two with me. Next thing in the bag is my business card little holder. I got this on Amazon, which I'll also link it down below. But if you guys don't know me fully, I work for my parents as well. They have their own company, so I work for them. So I have all my business cards in here, which is very cool because I'm always technically working. Like if I see someone, I'll give a card. If I see a job site, I'll stop. So I always have these on hand. And not to mention, being in a field that is typically male dominated, it just feels really nice to have like some pink added to the fun. So I love it. There's just so much stuff in here. It's kind of like I'm just gonna pull out a bunch of stuff at once. I always have hand sanitizer on me. I honestly used to be the girl that would rely on everyone else for hand sanitizer, but the older I've gotten, the more I'm like, I'd rather have my own. So this is mahogany teakwood from Bath & Body, which is my favorite smell. So I have this one and I feel like I have a good amount left, but I use it all the time. I just recently went to Target and I got a $5 gift card, so I'm going to use that soon. I have my Aquaphor, which is my handy dandy stuff. I use this all the time. I use it like on my lips, I use it on my elbows, my fingers, just everything. Aquaphor is seriously the best stuff ever. I have a slip hair tie in here because these are just like the best for my hair. They don't always work the best when I want like something super tight and slick back, so I always just use like a regular hair tie. But for just like a quick ponytail, like not a lot of thought into it, I like to use slip and silk hair ties because they don't break apart my hair. They also keep my hair really shiny, and I just find that with like super thick hair, I need silk as much as possible. So I have an extra one in here, although I always have one on my wrist. Next up, we have my wallet. This is the Louis Vuitton wallet. It's like a card holder. I don't know the exact name of it, but I do have my initials like engraved on it, which is super fancy. And I just feel like for me, I don't carry cash ever. And so for me, having a small wallet that is just very tiny that I can just like throw in like a hoodie pocket or something is my best bet. Like I don't need one that's super huge. I've had this one for 2 years and it's just been my favorite. Like I have a space in the middle and then I have cards on the front and on the back. So I like this one a lot. It's definitely my favorite. I have my car keys in here as well. I just got back from Target, so I typically always have my car keys in my bag because if my bag goes somewhere with me, I'm typically driving. So I just have my car keys and then like a small little Tampa heart little keychain on it. This keychain, you guys, I have like long nails, so I use it to like pop open my soda. It's convenient. Like it has actually helped me like with more than like one thing, so I really like this keychain a lot. I've got a few more things left in this first little pocket. I have my hairbrush, which is a wet brush. I have like a bunch of these. I get them from Amazon in like a pack, or you can get them from Target. I don't know about you guys, but I like to refresh myself as much as possible because I feel like when I brush my hair out or I like respray perfume on myself, I just feel better. Like I feel like more accomplished, like I can get stuff done. So I like to have a hairbrush with me at all times because my hair gets tangled as all get out and I just can't stand it being tangled, so I like to brush it. And this last thing in here is the N Beauty X Poppy. They did like a collab and I love poppies. They're my favorite sodas ever. So they have this raspberry rosé one and it smells so good. It's like edible. It tastes so good. I don't know if it's like marketed to be edible, but it's really good. I really like it. So I have this in my purse. And then honestly, I have like a bunch of pieces of hair at the bottom of my purse because of my hairbrush. But this is everything in this front pocket, which was honestly a lot. All right, so now we're gonna move on to this back pocket here, which also has a lot. First thing is my favorite lip combo ever, which I'm gonna put you guys on right now. They're both from Tarte. This is the Tarte Maracuja lip liner. It's in the shade Rosy Brown, and that's what I have on my lips right now. And then on top is the Maracuja Juicy Shift. Let me tell you, if you want perfectly lined lips that have like a pink / nude rosy tint, this is your combo. I don't really lean towards like pink or just nude lips. I like a good rosy brown, which is exactly the name of this lip liner, but I love. And like this lip gloss is like tingling, it's plumping, it's really juicy, but it's not sticky. I get so many compliments when I have this lip combo on, and honestly I feel the hottest when I have it on, so I'm gonna put you guys on. You should totally go get this. I'll link it down below, but it is the best. All right, what's next? Let's see. This is the Alani pre-workout Hawaiian shaved ice. I just got back from South Carolina the other day and I drove, and my boyfriend put this in my bag because he didn't want me to get sleepy on my way. But I never ended up using it because I had natural good energy. But I'm gonna use this week because I've never tried Hawaiian shaved ice. But I love Alani News. I love the Cosmic Stardust energy drink. That one's super good. All right, I'm just gonna pull everything else out of here. I have another Aquaphor. I feel like if you're an Aquaphor girly, you know we don't just have one. We have 2, we have 3, we have 4. We just have a bunch at all times. I've got a Listerine Cool Mint because, again, touch up. I like having good hygiene. I just love this stuff so much. I have the Poopery Before You Go lavender vanilla spray. I haven't had to use it yet because I have an issue pooping in public, but in case I ever did have to go in public, I like to have it and be prepared. And then last but not least, I have my to-go perfume. This is Baccarat Rouge, but I have like it's like a little travel one. You only buy it once, which is nice, and then you just like buy the refills. So I've had this for a couple years now, and it's pretty heavy, but it fits in my bag. I don't necessarily have like a method to my madness of where everything goes, but I will say I do prefer for my wallet and my business card to be in the front of my bag, as well as my hairbrush and my car keys. But everything else can just find its way back in my purse. I told my mom if I had to get rid of all my purses and keep one, guys, I am not joking with you, it would be this one. It is so good. I also like wear it like hanging off the shoulder sometimes when it's like a little too much and too heavy across my chest, which is not often. Like at the 8-hour mark of wearing it, which I've done before many times, I then put it around like just hanging down on my shoulder because it just gets a little heavy, but it only is like after 8 hours of continuously wearing it. But seriously, this is the best bag. I recommend you go try it on in store, see how you like it. Although it's like limited availability for some reason, I think it's like it's a hot bag, but I'm gonna put it on for you guys to see it across my chest. So this is what it looks like hanging down across my chest. I love being hands-free with my bag. I like being able to just hold my phone or just hold my drink walking around Target or something. It's just the convenience of having it across me. Also for like traveling, I feel like it's great because no one can just like snatch it off of you. It's got to be like a really like, I feel like a fight for someone to like really take this off of you. So I don't know, I just feel great with it. It's not too heavy. It fits so perfectly on my big chest. I'm obsessed. Okay guys, that is it for my first video of 2024 and my what's in my purse bag. I'm gonna link all my previous ones down below for you guys to watch if you guys are interested and all that fun stuff. My quote of the day is not actually a quote, it's just gonna be like a little bit of a motivation for you for 2024. And my motivation to you is to wake up and choose yourself every single day. It sounds a lot easier than like being done, but I promise you, if you just wake up every day and choose to like put yourself first, you know, put your health first and your mental health and then like your spiritual, emotional, everything, and your physical, you are just gonna be like a top tier person. And stop pushing it off, oh, next year, next year, next year. Like do it now, like take advantage of it now, and don't put too much pressure on yourself, because I always found that when I put too much pressure on myself, then I would just spiral back. But like just implement small habits for this year, and I'm so excited to take you guys along with me and to hear about your journey and share my journey. Don't forget to go enter the giveaway down below, but I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Happy New Year. It's gonna be a great year, and I love you guys so much. Mwah.